guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is a grading day. For a mini break, we played a game and I only won a pen, but it's okay. I am currently recording the grades and then putting them in the computer. I have 26 kids. I have to grade them on 26 things. 26 times 26 is too much. Then you mean to tell me I gotta put a comment? The grades are the comment. I took a pause to see what can I do with the back of this room looking like this. I was thinking I can use these cubbies to at least put their gloves and hats and shoes at least. All right, everyone has a name tag. Let's see how it works out. This is my desk looking a mess as always. And I did try to clean it. And I'm finally home, y'all, because today was really a productive day. I worked from 8:30 to 4:20. That was not okay. But see you guys on the next video. It is Vlogmas day 23 and we are headed out to run some errands. Everything just looks so beautiful, but our first stop is to make groceries at the commissary. I know, y'all, it feels like we make groceries every day. Holly? Let me show y'all me. I'm looking dusty right now. Artist up. I just gotta say to my Mississippi people, y'all stay strong out there, cause this 12 degrees weather ain't no joke. I'm about to freeze. Like, this scenery just looks so amazing. We have made it to Costco's wholesale, and it's kind of like Sam's and all those other wholesale places, just sell everything in bulks. Cause I need these jackets in all colors. Cost $12. I'm ready to see something that costs $12 in here. A jacket.
It was $12. Like, you gotta find it. Downstairs?
They even got lashes in here. Oh, I need me some lashes.
For two jackets.
Oh yeah, you see it. Finally, but we did not dine in, but it was beautiful in there. And once again, the view is just amazing. I'm about to show y'all what this OEC looks like. Got this spicy mayo, this whatever this is for the salad dressing. Some soup. I'm scared of that. Don't never eat the soup. Please don't ever eat the soup from OEC folk. And this is not my typical plate I used to get in Mississippi, but this would do for now. This mayo is spicy, pretty good.